Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing an easy, healthy, and delicious cake. So
yeah,
let's get started.
Chocolate one.
Yeah, it's like a chocolate kind of almond flour cake.
Yeah, almond. Okay,
So
let me
let's do
check
the
that.
eggs. Check it.
That's good.
She's like our checker now. Checker.
No.
Checker's a board game.
No.
That's good, right?
No, I have to check in a minute. Okay, now it's done.
Crap.
Ooh, you almost go in this.
Now we're gonna put it in here. Second
Can you
tag.
check it?
Check it quickly.
It's very wet. But I have to get
That's
off
good.
that wet. Okay, go.
That's okay. I don't think you should check the eggs. Don't check the eggs, okay?
Okay.
Just
What's your mix? Yeah.
so
Crap.
the only thing I don't like about eggs is
Don't say that.
the gooiness, the white.
Whoa, it looks.
So-
Look.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Now can
I
I
don't
mix it?
like the
Can I mix it?
see-through kind
Oh.
of part.
Forgot there's one
But
more.
It's actually pretty
Okay,
cool.
can I
because-
mix it?
Yeah, you can mix it
Okay.
because it's like the base of
I can
like
do
almost
fast.
everything.
I can do faster. I can do it smoother.
Yeah, do it smoother, but don't do it too smooth because we need the eggs to puff up.
I know.
And here we have some 1/3 cup of organic maple syrup. So let's pour it in. It's too much. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, looks like a slide from
Whoa.
your friend. It looks like a slide from your friend.
Now we're gonna add
Whoa, so brown.
one of the most important parts,
I have to
cacao,
mix
cocoa
smooth.
powder.
Okay.
You wanna put it?
Yeah.
Put it, please.
Okay. Bye bye.
That's 1/4 cup of
Whoa.
cacao powder. Wow, it looks so crumbly.
Yeah, it looks like soft. It looks nice.
And then
soft.
we
Like
have
it.
some baking powder and some vanilla.
Oh, I want to do this one.
Okay, I'll put in.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
That looks weird.
Yeah, that looks weird. I have to do it smoother. Whoa.
And then let me.
What's not working?
Yes.
I have to do it.
Let me put in the baking powder. Go inside baking powder.
And I'll put this one, Heather.
Yes.
I'll put that one a minute. I have to do it very
And
fast.
then, yeah, we want the cake to be smooth because we like
Yeah.
smooth cakes and puffy cakes.
Yeah.
I'll open this and you can put it in. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, now put it in.
Wait.
I'll mix it. You put it in. Oh, it's drooping a little bit. Okay, put it in.
Wait, it's smooth. It's smooth. It's smooth. It's
Here,
smooth
here.
already.
And then we have 1.5 cup of almond flour. So mix that well. Mix that well, Zainab.
Okay.
Please mix that well.
I am.
Let me smell it. Wait, it smells like chocolate
Yum!
chips. It smells like chocolate chips. Mix it.
Yum.
Okay, and we have one
Can I put
and a
it?
half cup of
Can I
almond
put it,
flour.
please?
We have to do it gently, so
Okay. Mm,
I'll mix, okay?
Yeah. Don't mix it, please.
It's like a kind of. Don't do all of it. That's it. That's it.
Can I mix it now?
Okay, can I put it in, please?
Okay, fine. You can mix it, please.
Okay. It's the switching game. Just a little bit. Put a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Okay. More.
It's gonna be very, very
The
slow.
batter has to be really nice. That's good.
Whoa, it's so smooth.
Okay, put it all in. Put this all in. Okay, so we need to get, we're doing it piece by piece, so it can be like the right texture. Do a little bit.
Okay.
You may not need all of it. Yeah.
Yeah, not all of it. That's it.
Let's see.
That's good texture.
No, there's a little. What?
That's
Look
it.
at
We need. This is the perfect
Wait,
consistency.
there's a little.
A little. Wait a little, honey.
Wait.
Please.
This is good texture. We don't need
Zanisha,
any more.
Please wait, honey.
We don't need any more.
Yeah, please wait.
But
Zanisha.
there's thing.
I think this is good enough.
This is good. Okay, so
No,
we
wait.
mix a little bit. Danish, we don't need it.
here you can mix.
I think it's good enough.
But you have to put this. It's a little.
It's enough because like it's gonna be too thick and then it's gonna over puff or
Can I
no.
put this
It
here?
can be dry, right?
Can
If
I
it's too
put
thick.
these here?
Yeah, mix
Thank you.
mix. Yeah, that means
Mix.
Can you do it too fast?
mix first. Yeah, we need to mix a little.
And I'm gonna put these there. Okay? No, we have to do it together.
Looks good.
Do you think it needs a
Can
little
I
more?
do one pieces?
A little more
Just
flour.
a little bit. Yeah.
Or
Do
mixing.
you think a little more?
I think we should.
A little more?
Can
Yeah.
you get
A
it?
little more. Not all of it. Yeah.
That's it.
Can I do a little?
No, we have to put the batter in after so it can cook.
We can do it together. Like first me and then you and then me and then you. Can we do it together?
Smell it. It smells like so delicious.
Smells good?
Yeah, really
Yeah,
good.
but can we do this together? First my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn.
Okay.
We're done with the batter, so we need to put it in here.
Yeah, first my turn. We can get turns.
Okay. What do you need for this
Put
one,
this-
We
Mama?
can get turns in it. We can get turns.
Okay, wait. Don't. Let's move everything out of the way.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Wait. We need to just.
Yeah.
Just put it. Okay, take your arm out so I can spread it. You need to get all the corners.
But I want to spread it.
Okay, I think we should use the spreader now. Spatula. Spreader, spatula. Both start with S.
Good enough.
That's good.
That's enough.
That worked out good. Chocolate drizzle everywhere. And so, we will actually cook it for 350 Fahrenheit for 30
You can
minutes.
clean the edges if you want.
Yeah, clean the edges of this cake.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So we're gonna bake it. We're gonna bake it for 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So
Yeah, for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit.
yeah. So I think this is it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like down below. And type in the chat and comments down below how your cake tasted. So we'll see you later. Bye.